So I'm going to give you another example for the topic regression. At ito yung gagamitin nating steps in solving examples 2 and 3. Okay? So it says, do a complete regression analysis by performing these steps. Letter A, we're going to draw a scatter plot. B, compute the correlation coefficient. And C, test the hypothesis at alpha equal to 0.05. And we're going to use table I. Okay? Now, itong tatlong to una natin gagawin. For letter C, kapag hindi significant yung relationship at alpha equals 0.05, di natin kailangan gawin yung D and E. Okay? And for letter D, determine the regression line if R is significant. Plot the regression line on the scatter plot. Okay? And we have here example number 2. This is about class size and grades. It says, school administrators wondered whether class size and grade achievement in percent were related. A random sample of classes revealed the following data. We have here the number of students, 15, 10, 8, 20, 18, and 6. We have 85, 90, 82, 80, 84, and 92. So, for our step letter A, step 1, dodro tayo ng scatter plot. Okay? Para sa letter A natin, i-construct natin ang scatter plot of this data. Okay, this is our letter A. So we have here the x-axis, yun yung number of students, yung ating y-axis, average grade of the student in percent. Okay, so we have 1585, so 1585 somewhere here, and 1090. So 882, 2080. Okay, and then 1884, somewhere here. Okay, and then 692. Yan. So yun yung ating scatter plot. Bababa natin to. Yan. So yan yung ating letter A, yung first step natin para doon sa ating pagkuha ng complete regression analysis of the given data. Now, sabi dito, aalamin natin kung may significant relationship ba yung ating class size doon sa average grade sa mga estudyante. Pag marami bang estudyante, ay mababa ang average grade. O kapag kukunti ba ang estudyante, mataas ba ang average grade ng klase na yun. Okay? Now, the next step is to compute for correlation coefficient. So that is our letter B. Solving R. Okay? Para masosolve ang R, so we have the formula R equal to n summation of xy minus summation of x summation of y all over square root of n summation of x squared minus summation of x square of these times summation of y squared minus summation of square of summation of y. Okay? So, ang dami natin kukunin. Ang n natin dito is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, n equals to 6. Lagyan natin dito. N is equal to 6. And then, kunin natin yung summation of x. Summation of x, ito yan. Summation of x equal to, for the summation of x, add natin 25, 33, 53, 59, 67, 77. And then we solve for summation of y. Summation of y. Add natin, we have 85 plus 90 plus 82 plus 80 plus 84 plus 92. The summation is 513. Okay? Then, kunin natin yung summation of xy, summation of x squared, summation of y squared. So, sabihin natin to sa xy, x squared, and y squared. Okay. 15 times 85 muna, 1275. 1275. 10 times 90 is 900. That's 16 and 64, 656. So that is 1600. 18 times 84 is 1512. 6 times 92 is 552. Then kunin natin summation xy. That is 1275. So 6495. Okay? Pakisum na lang, 6495. And then for x squared, 15 squared is 225. 100, 64, 400. That is 324 and 36. Then kunin natin summation of x squared. Okay? So that's equal to 1149. Then summation of y squared, 85 squared is 7225. 90 squared is 8100. 82 squared is 6724. 80 squared is 6400. 84 squared, of course, is that is 7. Okay, natin na 84 squared, 7056. And 92 squared is 8464. Kung natin summation, that is summation of y squared. We have 7225 plus 8100 hundreds. We have 6724 plus 64 hundreds plus 7056 plus 8464. The summation is equal to 43969. Okay. Now, pwede natin makompute yung ating correlation coefficient. Substitute natin yung given values. We have n is 6. Summation of xy is 6495. Okay. 6495 minus summation of x is 77. Summation of y is 513 all over square root of, we have 6. Summation of x squared is 1149. Summation x is 77 squared. Then n is 6. Summation of y squared is 43969 minus summation of y squared is, we have 513 squared. Okay. So gamit yung ating scientific calculator, we have fraction on top, 6 times 6495 minus 77 times 513 sa baba is square root of quantity 6 times 1149 minus 77 squared kulang squared, close parenthesis, open parenthesis, 6 times 43969 minus 513 squared, close parenthesis, equals, we have negative 0.673. So R equals negative 0.673. Okay. Now, ang third step natin, itetest natin kung may significant relationship yung ating na-compute na correlation coefficient. Okay? Tanggalin ko muna ito. Next, this is letter C. That's the hypothesis. Hypothesis at alpha equal to 0.05. So, itest natin yung hypothesis natin. Base dun sa na-compute nating correlation coefficient, kung significant ang kanilang relationship at alpha equals 0.05. So, our first step is identify natin o write down natin yung ating hypothesis. Null is rho equal to 0, which means no significant relationship. Alternative is there is a significant relationship. Next is alamin natin yung critical values. Okay? We have two-tailed test. Alpha equal to 0.05 The degrees of freedom is n minus 2 by birate data. So we have 6 minus 2 equal to 4. And then looking at our table I, our critical value is equal to, so the critical value based from table I is 0 plus or minus 0.811. Okay. Then next is we're going to make a decision. Compare natin yung absolute value of R. Absolute value of R is negative 0.673. That is 0.673. Okay. So 0.673 is less than the critical value, which is 0.11. Ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin nun is we cannot reject the null hypothesis. So our decision is do not reject the null hypothesis. I-reject lang natin siya base sa table I natin. Mare-reject lang siya kapag yung ating absolute value of R is greater than the critical value. Sa case nito, hindi greater but less than, so we do not reject the null hypothesis. So our conclusion is, step number 4 sa ating testing the hypothesis is there is no significant relationship. Between the class size and average grade. Yeah. So, grade achievement of the student. Of the students. So since walang significant relationship, hindi natin kailangan mag-regression pa. Okay? So magre-regression analysis lang tayo kapag yung ating R is significant. Okay? Ibig sabihin, there is a significant relationship. So hindi natin gagawin yung step D and E. Okay? Since R is not significant, at alpha equal to 0.05, no regression should be done. Okay? So, stop na tayo doon. Okay? Ginagawa lang natin ng regression pag may significant relationship ng dalawang variables. Okay? So, I'm going to give you the third example about regression. Thank you.